Here we go again. New Sungrazer Comet might shine brighter than ever. October 2024 is shaping up to be truly remarkable for skywatchers, with the abundance of bright comets gracing our skies. While we are still witnessing the spectacle of Comet C 2023-A3, Tsuchinshan-ATLAS, another dazzling visitor from the Oort cloud, Comet C 2024-S1, ATLAS, is soon set to make its appearance. The simultaneous visibility of two bright comets within such a short span is a rare and thrilling event, captivating both professional astronomers and enthusiasts alike, offering a unique opportunity to observe these icy travelers from the outer reaches of the solar system, an occurrence that happens perhaps only once in a generation. Discovered on September 27, 2024, by astronomers from the Atlas Sky Survey in Hawaii, Comet C 2024-S1 ATLAS belongs to the Kreutz family of sun-grazing comets, known for their extraordinarily bright displays, often visible even during the daytime. As C 2024-S1 approaches perihelion on October 28, 2024, anticipation is building for what could be one of the most spectacular celestial events in decades. At the end of this video, you'll find a detailed guide on the comet's path and the best viewing dates for both hemispheres. Here we go again. New Sungrazer Comet might shine brighter than ever. Kreutz Sungrazers, to which C 2024-S1 belongs, are comets that pass perilously close to the Sun, often within a few 100,000 miles. This close proximity subjects them to intense solar heat and gravitational forces, leading to the disintegration of some comets, while others survive to deliver a brilliant display in our skies. The Kreutz family of comets is especially famous for producing some of the greatest comets in history. These include the Great Comet of 1882 and the legendary Comet Ikeya-Seki, C 1965-S1, which was so bright it could be seen during daylight, shining at an incredible magnitude of -10. C 2024-S1 has the potential to follow in the footsteps of these celestial giants. It was first spotted in the constellation Hydra with an apparent magnitude of around 12, and quickly became a focus of intense observation as it brightened and developed its coma, a glowing envelope of gas surrounding the comet's nucleus. The comet is currently projected to reach a magnitude of -5 to -8 by the time it reaches perihelion, meaning it could become one of the brightest objects in the sky, possibly even outshining Venus, the brightest planet. If it survives its fiery close encounter with the Sun, C 2024-S1 ATLAS could even be visible in daylight, a rare and spectacular phenomenon. Shortly after its discovery, astronomers began to observe the comet in detail. The Virtual Telescope project in Italy captured two key sets of images on September 29th and 30th using their Artec 250 robotic telescope. The images revealed the comet's nucleus and coma clearly, even though it was positioned low on the horizon at just 13 degrees of altitude, with the Sun still beneath it. A faint tail could be seen extending westward, hinting at the potential brilliance of this icy traveler. The second set of observations raised even more intrigue. In these new images, a possible secondary component or fragment was detected near the comet, shown in the upper right corner of the image. This discovery is particularly fascinating because Kreutz Sungrazers are known to break apart as they approach the Sun. In fact, many astronomers believe the entire Kreutz family originated from the fragmentation of a massive comet that broke apart centuries ago. Whether this secondary component is a true fragment or simply an optical illusion caused by noise will require further observations, but it adds to the mystery and excitement surrounding C 2024 S1 ATLAS. The next few weeks will be critical as astronomers continue to track the comet's progress and behavior. With its current trajectory bringing it ever closer to the Sun, there's the potential for a dramatic increase in brightness as its icy surface sublimates under the extreme solar heat, releasing gas and dust to create a longer, more visible tail. As Comet C 2024 S1 ATLAS speeds toward its closest approach to the Sun, or perihelion, on October 28, 2024, the astronomical community is filled with cautious excitement. Comets are famously unpredictable. Some, like the legendary Ikeya-Seki, dazzle observers and become etched in memory for generations, while others, like Comet Ikeya-Seki in 2013, break apart before reaching their full potential, leaving behind little more than a faint dust trail. Currently, all indicators point towards C 2024 S1 ATLAS, delivering an unforgettable spectacle, but its ultimate fate remains uncertain. Recent images taken on October 8th using R and W filters with the 1-meter LCO telescope at the South African Astronomical Observatory presented challenges in alignment and stacking due to a lack of condensation in the nucleus. This nucleus appeared elongated and faint compared to clearer images captured on October 3rd with the 1-meter telescope at Siding Spring, when it was still well-defined. This variation suggests the possibility of the comet's nucleus fragmenting. Although the comet was still at a relatively safe distance from the Sun, the findings suggest that intense vaporization of gas may have occurred. This, combined with the tidal or rotational forces acting on the nucleus, could be causing its disintegration. If it survives its close encounter with the Sun, the comet could continue to brighten and produce a spectacular tail that stretches across the sky. For observers in the southern hemisphere, the best chance to view the comet will be in the evening sky leading up to perihelion. Those in the northern hemisphere might get their chance shortly after perihelion, as the comet moves into the early morning sky. Should C 2024 S1 survive, its dust tail could be long and dramatic, potentially visible with the naked eye in both hemispheres. Both comets C 2024 S1 ATLAS and C 2023 A3 Tsuchinshan-ATLAS are not just any comets. They are long-period comets originating from the distant and mysterious Oort cloud. The Oort cloud is a vast, spherical region surrounding the outer edges of our solar system, and it is thought to contain millions of icy bodies. Occasionally, gravitational disturbances send one of these comets hurtling inward toward the Sun, offering us a rare opportunity to observe one of these ancient relics from the farthest reaches of our solar system. This particular comet's journey from the Oort cloud to the inner solar system is an extraordinary event in itself, giving astronomers the chance to study a piece of cosmic history. I recommend watching a special video dedicated to the Oort cloud, and the link should appear in the top right corner of the screen. The Oort cloud is also where many of the most famous long-period comets have come from, including Comet Hale-Bopp, which wowed observers in 1997. What makes C 2024 S1 ATLAS so unique, however, is its classification as a Kreutz Sungrazer, a family of comets that have captivated humanity for centuries with their brilliant displays. October 16th to 23, approaching Earth. During this period, the comet will brighten to a magnitude of 10 to 7, making it visible through small backyard telescopes late at night, particularly in the southern hemisphere. As it moves closer to the Sun, its elongation in the sky will reduce from 35 to 20 degrees. October 20th, enters the constellation Corvus. October 22nd, passes near the star Gina, magnitude 2.6. October 23rd, reaches a magnitude of 7.0 at its closest approach to Earth, 132,000 kilometers, and passes the star Algorab, magnitude 2.9. October 24th to 28, approaching perihelion. As the comet nears the Sun, its brightness will rapidly increase, ranging between magnitude 6 and as bright as Manin 9. Visible in the southern hemisphere before dawn, and possibly from the southern parts of the northern hemisphere, it may even become visible to the naked eye. By perihelion, it will come within 2 degrees of the Sun in the sky. Key events. October 25, enters the constellation Virgo, where the Sun is also located. October 26, passes near the star Spica, magnitude 1.0. October 28th, reaches its closest approach to the Sun, 45,800 now kilometers, peaking at a brightness of -8.3. However, spotting it will be challenging due to the Sun's glare. October 29th to 31, after perihelion. If the comet survives its close pass by the Sun, it will start moving away, growing a longer tail and shining brightly. During this time, it will shift from 3 degrees to 11 degrees away from the Sun in the sky, making it a prime target for observation, especially from the northern hemisphere. Key event. October 31, passes the star Spica, magnitude 1.0 again. While C-2024-S1 has all the right ingredients to become a great comet like those of the past, it could also fade if the Sun's intense forces prove too much for it to handle. Nonetheless, the potential for a celestial show this October and November is incredibly high, and skywatchers around the globe are urged to keep their eyes on the heavens. As we conclude this virtual odyssey, we invite you to like and subscribe to our channel to embark on further cosmic explorations. With every click, you elevate our pursuit of knowledge and contribute to the collective understanding of our universe.